Okay, editing wall profiles. Let's talk about that. So, walls are often follow the contours of a site or an angle, such as like following the line down a stairs or maybe the ground or something like that should change. But when you draw it out in Revit, it's going to create a straight square wall. So if I go in here to this section here, I want to just give you an example of all these walls and the way that they're going to behave. When you draw them out, they have a flat bottom to them. But what if I had to have the top part of it slope or the bottom part of it slope? How do I do that? How do we edit it? So what we do is go to an elevation view or a section here, okay, in which you can see the face of the wall that you want to edit. You'd select the wall first, and then it would highlight it for you, okay? In the modify panel that opens up here for you, then you say edit profile. Once you do that, you notice that you get some magenta lines here. These magenta lines are the profile edges of that wall. So if you want to go ahead and draw in a new shape, you could use any of these here to accomplish that. So if I need to know kind of a little bit about it, it gives me these temporary dimensions to sort of help me out. Maybe my wall needs to kind of do something like this and something like that. All right. So to make this stuff stick, you need to trim out the excess pieces because you cannot have a line that overlaps another in your wall profile. It wants to go ahead and have one single closed loop. So I would need to trim out this piece and this piece so I can satisfy Revit's requirements. Click this guy and this guy because that's what I want to keep. Click this guy and click that guy because that's what I want to keep also. And so it keeps this main shape, and that's why you see these dashed green lines. However, it will still be appearing in the way that I want it to look. Okay. So the sketch must form a continuous loop. Verify that your lines are clean without any gaps or overlaps. Use any of the tools in the modify panel to clean up your sketch. All these guys or all these guys, right? Looks good to me. Hit the check mark. And as you can see now, I have that nice slope and angles and stuff to my wall should I need it to jog like that. Curtain panels and walls can be done the same way. You select those guys and it's the same deal. All you need to do is just, use some dimensions here and go up and do what you need to do and trim out the pieces you don't want. Okay, there you are. Finish the command. Boom. And as you can see, it fills in the mullions for you if you have one of those curtain panels. All right, you select one of these guys too, and you can do the same exact thing. Just come on up over here and there, make your trim. I know this probably doesn't make any style sense, but I just want to show you what you can do with it, okay? And there